Hi there, how's it going? Give me a second real quick. Perfect. Today we're going to be working in my room, putting up a table, creating a light box, and taking some high quality photos for a company called Uptown Drapes. Now I created a short about this a little while back, but I kind of wanted to show the entire process in case you guys at home wanted to recreate it or just look at what I did in a more in-depth video, and I need to make more content. So today we're taking high quality photos of the rods from Uptown Drapes. I have these giant rods from Uptown Drapes, and we're gonna put them in this little light box that we put together and hopefully get some good photos to turn out. Alrighty then, so now that we have our setup, we're gonna get some photos, but I need to change it to a black shirt because black eliminates the reflections. If I were wearing a lime green shirt or an orange shirt, then it would reflect green or orange onto our products. That's why all the filmmakers wear black clothes instead of any other clothes. We're just trying to eliminate reflections. Alright, so I've got my makeshift light box happening, but there's a few problems. I had to put up the paper around the edges to cover up the dark side, but the side I'm shooting from is still dark. So I'm actually going to change back to a white shirt, hoping that I will show up in the reflections, and that way the side of the rod that's pointing towards me won't actually be dark, but will instead be white. Hey everyone, Ben from the future here. I got really frustrated while trying to complete this project just because it was taking too long, I couldn't hold the paper up, I didn't care about the behind the scenes, and it really just wasn't coming together. As I struggled to get the final photos and cut out all the remaining reflections, it was really tough, so I ended up just putting the paper in my mouth and hopefully having that block out most of the reflections. But there was still a dark line from the one tiny gap in the light box. But I was okay with that because it showed that it was chrome rather than just a milky type of metal that was a little bit more opaque. So after I got that photo taken care of, I could breathe a little bit easier and work on the next one. I took down the paper walls on the light box because I didn't need them anymore and actually wanted more light, and here are the final results.